Today I will show you how to replace this door handle on this Marvel ice maker. The model number is right there inside. If the handle is loose or you want to replace it, I will show you how to do this. You need a drill bit or Allen key. This one is the size 332. You can use it on a little smaller screwdriver, and there's one screw here, another screw at the bottom. You can open it. So I have another one here. So you open this screw, you can use an Allen key too, and that one right there. Once they're loose, you can lift up the handle. If the handle is loose, usually because these Phillips screws are loose, you may want to retighten it with your screwdriver, the same thing. And then once you retighten it, you can you can add your handle back in. Make sure to add it from top and bottom at the same time, like that. Make sure it's flushed. Also make sure it's flushed here, and then you can retighten it. And the same thing from the bottom. Good. Do not over tighten, because if you over tighten, you're gonna strip the screw and it's gonna cause issues. See, it's not moving anymore. The reason I'm replacing this handle, because we have a brand new unit that I installed, and you see there's still a small handle here and the scratch on the handle, this discoloration. I tried to clean it, I couldn't, so I thought it's easier to replace the whole handle. And if you pull the unit out, that way it's more easier to get to these bottom screws. Maybe you don't have it enough open. You have to open it more, because if you put one side, then another side will not go in place. So open these screws more. Okay, that should be fine. Try the other one. Maybe to open that one too. Okay, that's good. It should just slide down now. It's sitting good now. And hold on, you see these holes in here, right here? It goes right here on both sides. And also, do not make a mistake by flipping this and installing it in a flip ways, because the top of the handle doesn't have any screw hole. So this side goes on the top, and this one is for the bottom, because we have a screw. You do not want to see the screw on top, so it needs to be installed this way. Okay, that's good. Thank you so much.